Hi class, this video is to help give you the instructions for the fallacies paper that I'm asking you to write. So I'm going to go through the instructions and try to tell you what I expect and what I'm looking for. The first thing I want you to do or to know, 3 pages, again, I don't grade on length. It's approximate. When you submit it, if you submit it on Canvas, I want you to attach the article in question via PDF along with your paper. If you turn it in hard copy in class, then just make sure you attach the article in question. So I'm not sure how I'm going to have you turn it in yet, whether it's going to be hard copy or on Canvas, but if it's on Canvas, you're going to have to scan the article and use that file and attach it. If not, make sure you give it to me as a hard copy. The first thing to do in this paper is to find an example of an informal fallacy, either in a newspaper, it might be letters to the editor, it might be one of the articles in a journal article, in the NNU newspaper, in social media, on Facebook or other places. Find a really good example of at least one informal fallacy. One post or article might contain several fallacies, but at least one clear one. If you use social media, if you use a letter to the editor, be sure you get rid of the names. So you might have to type it out. Get rid of the names, get rid of the identifying information so that it's anonymous, right? So I want the content, but I don't want to know the people involved who posted it. Committing fallacies is not a compliment, right? So we want to protect them. So find one. It's going to take you a while, so start scouring, right? The second thing, I want you to give me an overview of the article. What is it about? What does it say? And then how does it commit the fallacy in question? Maybe it's more than one. Again, it might commit 2 or 3. So start with the primary fallacy first and then tell me about the others. Give me some quotes that highlight the fallacy. You need to connect it back to what we've been learning. Why is it a fallacy? What's the problem with this argument, right? So you're going to do your analysis here in part 2. So you're finding an article or a social media thing that has a fallacy in it. You're going to analyze, give me some short quotes, tell me why it's a fallacy. And then number 3, how would you improve it? How could this person improve their argument? What could they do to avoid making a fallacy and to make a better point, right? Try to be specific here in terms of the improvement because that shows your own critical thinking, right? This is a fallacy, but if they did it a different way, they can maybe they can make the same point, but in a different way that would avoid that fallacy, right? So these are the 3 things I'm looking for in this paper. Again, if you submit on Canvas, take that article from the newspaper, wherever, PDF it, and attach it into Canvas. If you turn a hard copy in class, make sure I get a copy of it so I can see it. So staple it to the back of the paper there. All right, I hope this helps. If you have any questions, let me know. Good luck.